Hello friends! Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. So happy that you have clicked on this video. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and to those of you who are already subscribed, welcome back. Don't forget to also check out some of our older videos. We have some great videos. And in today's video, let's talk about classic home decor. Classic interior design can also be called timeless, and some may call it traditional. The look is structured and balanced, rich in accessories, texture, and finishes, but don't be put off. There are modern takes on this look that make it perfect for a comfortable and inviting home. Of course, as in every video, I have to start with the definition for you, and let's talk about the definition of classic home decor. Alright, so classic home decor style includes well-made furniture with detailing such as inlay and carved or turned legs, as well as pieces with ornate detailing, sometimes with a floral or fauna influence. Fabrics that have texture and subtle patterns and stripes mixed with block colors are very popular choices. Now, I know that some people refer to this classic style as traditional, like I spoke about before, but there is a slight difference. Classic design style is inherently more formal and elegant than traditional style. So while both styles tend to incorporate antique and heirloom pieces of furniture and rely on darker wood tones, they come to life in very different ways. The classic interior follows simple rules that you can adapt and change for your own modern take. Start by simply repositioning your furniture, as easy and crazy as that sounds. But you may be surprised at how simple yet effective this look is for your home. Here are 4 key elements of classic design to give your home a traditional vibe. Number 1, find your focal point. The key to a classic interior is symmetry and order, with furniture placement and styling usually working around a key focal point, such as a fireplace or maybe even a television. Start by looking at the bare bones of your home. The trick is to have a focal point. Maybe you can work off that large bay window or even a set of French doors. If you don't have one, you can just as easily find the center line of the room and use that as your starting point. Number 2, matchy. Symmetry works best. To work out how to arrange your furniture, think symmetry. Try to create mirror images, such as identical sofas facing each other with a coffee table between, or maybe mix it up with one long sofa and 2 single armchairs opposite, as this still creates symmetry. Work your way around the room, addressing the large pieces of furniture first. Then consider where your artwork and accessories will go. Again, matching pairs usually work best. Now, placement is the major key to this look. And once you understand this quite simple way of arranging furniture, you'll be able to easily recognize the look in magazines and movies and adapt the look for your own home. So you can achieve a classic look by mixing in straighter line pieces with more traditional items to really create a fusion, which works by following the principles of placements. So for example, 2 coffee tables side by side can act as one large piece. Try placing 2 dining chairs in the corner of a room, mirroring each other. It's this balanced order that creates harmony and the classic feel. Number 3. When it comes to colors, think soft, not bold. As the classic look has a traditional element, a color palette from nature is a favorite. Look to yellow, blues, greens, and browns in really soft tones, rather than bold color. Now, you can work in emeralds, plums, and really strong patterns, but you have to be sure to really closely follow the rules of placement. Off-white is a more traditional choice, but using crisp white for trims and detailing can give a room a fresh, updated look. For example, choose 2 armchairs in the same color and find cushions in the same fabric or color, then place them on a lighter neutral sofa opposite. Structure and layers are also really important. The structure or placement of an item is basically like the glue to make the look work, and repeating the color palette throughout the room creates cohesion and harmony. Number 4, accessories and art. So the placement of accessories is just as important in achieving a cohesive feel. Try 1 large artwork centered above a sideboard, then place 2 matching table lamps on either side. Or you can even hang art of the same size or color on either side of a doorway, or use 4 to 6 smaller works in a simple grid to replicate the dimensions of a larger work. For cushions, it's important to match both color and placement. Set them one in front of the other for a formal feel, or angle them into the corners of the sofa and replicate the colors and patterns on the other end. Perhaps mirror the layout on the sofa opposite. To make it easier, use items in sets or pairs. I know a lot of stores like HomeGoods and TJ Maxx will actually sell their pillows and cushions, what is basically I'm referring to as pillows, in sets of 2, so you have that automatic symmetry there. It's just how you lay it out. Now, as you get more adventurous, you can start grouping items by shape, or use 2 different items of a similar size or color and place them in a mirrored way to achieve the classic feel. Alrighty guys, so as I always do, I want to know which room that you felt best just spoke to you. You know, which classic home decor or design style room would you have in your home, and would you have this style of home decor in your home? I'm so interested in knowing, so comment down below and let me know. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite classic home decor room below. If you want to see mine, of course I could not pick, so I picked 2. I love green and gold. We have spoke about it so much in this channel, and I love this chair. So if it's not this room, it's this room, because you cannot go wrong with a classic black, white, and gold living room, bedroom, or any other room in your home. What do you think? As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.